Okay guys, welcome back. This is another how-to video. In the previous video I showed you guys how to make a perfect drink, how to quench your thirst forever. This time I'm going to show you how to make ice. I told you guys in that video I'm going to show you how to make ice if you don't have ice to make your perfect drink. So okay, firstly you need a fucking ice tray. Any ice tray. This one will do. They're quite cheap. People literally give them away for free. I think I got this for free. Don't even buy it, but they're like, I think it's like 10 rand for one or whatever. So get an ice tray. Then you're going to need an ice tray. You're going to need water. And you're going to need a fridge with a deep freeze at the bottom or on top. Just the deep freeze, man. Something that makes very cold. So what you do is you take your ice tray that's empty and you go over to a tap. There you go. Go over to a tap. I don't know if you guys can see my tap. A tap. It's just a normal fucking tap. Tap. Shit, I can't angle it. Tap. Anyways, turn on the water. Get some water going. Cool. Got water going. Let's try and angle this so you guys can see the water. You take your ice tray. Fuck's sake. You take your ice tray and you just fill it with water. Just fill it with water. Good old water. Yeah. Okay. Once it's filled with water, see? Filled with water. It's filled with water. Okay. There we go. You see? Water. Filled with water. Cool. Take your ice tray. Okay. This is now your ice tray. You see it's quite full. Filled with water. Oh shit, I'm missing. See? Water. Oh shit, son. Anyways, water. Then you take this, filled with water. You open your deep freeze. And you literally just chuck it in there. Bada bim, bada boom. Close your deep freeze. And you wait a while. I'll be right back. Okay. So you've waited a while. A few moments later. Over the screen here, a few moments later, like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour maybe, it depends on how cold your deep freeze is. Then you open up your deep freeze, you take out your ice tray, and boom, you got ice, son. You got ice. Whoop-de-woo. See? Fucking ice, bro. Ice. You got ice. Ice, bro. Ice. Ice. Cool. Like, subscribe. I showed you how to make ice. I'm a fucking dope handyman that sorts you out. Like, subscribe. Showed you how to make ice. Showed you how to make a perfect drink. Thumbs up.